Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to be using the Artfully Aware cling stamp set. We're going to be using this guy here, and then we're going to be using the Lean on Me saying. So let's go ahead and get started. For my base, I have a half a sheet of basic black. I have 2 sheets of Whisper White. I have a scrap piece of Whisper White, and then I have a sheet of Lovely Lipstick, and that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. This one is cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And we're going to start with this guy here. We're going to use our Memento Black. And we are going to go ahead and stamp right down there, right in the middle. It's going to be a very quick and easy card to make. Once I have that done, I'm going to find my Lean on Me. And I don't know why I do not have, here it is, I didn't have the sticker on it. But we're going to get that sticker and put that on here. As you can see by my messy fingers, I have been playing and playing. So I'm going to take that, put this on my white scrap along with the Lovely Lipstick here. We're just gonna look at that. Alrighty, Lovely Lipstick is going away, guys. Can you believe that? I'm gonna use the label here. Get that lined up nice and pretty. Got that. Got our pieces. Now, I'm just going to take my gel pen. This is just a regular white gel pen. Get that gel going. And then I'm just going to take a piece here, like that. And I'm going to make it go up here, just like that. And just bring that around like that. On this one, I'm going to put a couple dots here, maybe 3, and then run it along. Same here. And there we go. And if you run into any areas where you have like a corner or something, you could go ahead and go like this, and then make it thicker like that. And then once you have that little piece there, then it just goes into a thin like that. So we're just adding a little bit of detail. That's it. Now we get to put it all together. So we're going to take our basic black. We're going to fold that right in half at 4 1/4. We are going to take our bone folder and burnish that down. Then we're going to take our Whisper White because we want to have this we want to have a nice little border because we're working with the blacks and the whites and the lovely lipstick there. So I'm just going to put this right down, and this is going to give it a nice thick card. We're going to get our little 1/16 of an inch border here. And then I'm going to do the same here. I'm not going to make this real thick and dimensional because what I want to do is I want to be able to mail it. So I'm only going to have the one thickness. Then we're going to put this one around again. Just like that. And what did I do? Here we go. We're going to put the inside because you can't write on the dark of the cardstock. So we're going to put in a nice whisper white sheet as well. And there we go. And then we take our little Lean On Me, and that I will go ahead and get my dimensionals for this one. And we'll just put 3 straight across here. Just like this. And then for our little bits of extra, I'm going to take my Peaceful Poppies elements and we're going to go in there and grab one of these. Hold on, I got it. We're going to just take this little extra piece here. We're going to put this right down here, and I will show you. We're going to cut at this first one, just so it can start properly, and then we measure over, let's see, right here, in the middle of this one as well. And then that way, we can stick that on in there just like that and have a little bit of dimension going on there. Just like that. So I'm going to get my silicone mat. Bring this down. We're going to stick that up under there. Have as much as you want hanging down. For me, I don't want a lot. There we go. And then on the inside here, we can give them just a little tiny flower here. And for this one, we'll put it on with some Tombow glue. We're just going to put a little bit. So if you know anybody who's going through a little bit of a rough time, with something that they may have, you can always give them this guy. And then of course we can't be done because we have to give a little bit of bling here. And I'm just going to look, and I think this one would be great bling. And I'm just going to take these little ones off. And there we go. Look at that. Isn't that quick and easy? And you're only stamping a couple times, but it's a great little card there. All right, beauties, I hope you like this. If so, please give me a big thumbs up, and I will talk to you later. Bye!